What is overset text in InDesign and how do you fix it? Okay, so you might have noticed something tell you that there's overset text in your document. You could see this little red error down here. And if you click on it or double click on it or do something, it's going to pull open this pre-flight panel, which tells you in your text there's overset text. It tells you the text frame. You can actually click on this little button right here. It's going to take you to the frame that has overset text. So if you have a text box selected that has overset text, you'll see this indicator here at the bottom, which is a red plus. That tells you that there's extra text inside this text box. There's a couple things you can do. Number one, you can increase the size of your text box to show your text. So we could drag this down and show the rest of our text in here. Now there's no red box because there's no more text inside of here. Let's say you cannot increase the size of your text box. You could do two more things. Number one, you could actually click on this red square and it's going to allow you to create a new text box or insert this text into another text box, which will allow the text to flow from this one into the final destination or the next text box. So the text actually flows from here into here as you make edits. It goes in and out of this text box. All these text boxes that are linked will flow into each other. Okay, what if that's not what you want to do? What if you just need to take a look at the overset text? We can look at our document or our text boxes in, I believe it's called story mode, and that's Command or Control Y. Once you click that, this little story window will pop up. Now, as we scroll down, we actually see all of the text included in this text box, and then it shows us overset text with this red line down here. So you can actually see what kind of text or what amount of text is overset. And in this story mode, you can actually edit the text here. So if this text actually didn't matter, then I could just come into the story mode real quick and say, oh, that was accidental text. I don't need it. I can just delete it. And now I have no more overset text. And you'll notice I have no more errors anymore. So if you export a PDF or do anything that tells you, hey, you've got overset text and it's a pop-up, that won't pop up anymore. So we've effectively fixed the overset text in this paragraph just by editing it. Whether you need to edit down the amount of copy and actually make changes to your document, or you just had some extra, maybe a character or maybe a couple of spaces that you needed to just delete to get rid of that overset text error. That's what overset text is here in InDesign, and that is how to fix it.